Good morning, everybody. So, after a few days, we are coming back and uploading some important health tips to keep up the pandemic or this corona away from your place. Okay, today I am going to explain the importance of this spike mat. Spike mat is this is a concept of Mahabharata, Bhishma Acharya. So when he is on deathbed, this one he will request Arjuna to do a arrow bed that is called Sharashaya. So, because Sharashaya he has prepared, and Bhishma will be laid down on that bed to go take his last breath on Uttarayana Punyakala. That was his ambition. That was a very auspicious time. Till then, he will be sleeping on Sharashaya, that is arrow bed. So, it is a very unique features and method of removing all toxins from the body. Even today in Himalayas and other places, sadhus and saints they used to sit and sleep on this spike bed, Sarasaye or arrow bed. Okay, so many sadhus they will use even nails also on which they are going to lay down. Okay, so on this concept, now modern technology has built up this spike mat, and this is consisting of around 220 spikes as buttons. One each button is having 27 spikes, very minute spikes. Okay, so if you take everything into consideration, there are around 3000 plus spikes are situated on this spike bed. Okay, along with that spike pillow is also available. In future I am going to show that pillow also. And once you take rest on this spike mat, okay, why I am telling, it will in this condition, corona condition, even a small fever will make the person imbalance. Fear, he will lose his courage. Small fever it comes, oh, something is going to happen, I may get the corona, or I already got the corona. That is not a thing. When body food is allergic, or food is indigested, or something mentally or physically, if he got exhausted, naturally the organs will imbalance and body will get heat up. So that is nothing but fever. The toxins which is accumulated because of bad thinking or nervousness or fear, the toxins will accumulate and it will imbalance the temperature of the body, and the person will get feverish. So in such a condition, you need not to worry. Just laying on this spike mat for 15 days with bare body or with a cotton cloth, which is the barricade between the body and this spike. So initially if you put a cotton this one shirt, and if you lay down on this for 15, it should be thin, not very thick. If you lie down on this one, your back should be laid down, rested on this one, and slowly you have to lay down. And since it is very sharp, some scratches and other things may happen. So you should take care and lay down slowly and rest for 15 days, a day. All the family members, above 8 years, children, okay. And but the person who is having skin problem or any other ailment, skin ailments, such people should not do this, because it will get ruptured. Okay, so other than that, anybody can do, or anybody can sit on this with the thighs, our bladder meridian, lumbar, everything is situated on our thighs, gallbladder. It will get energized, massaged and energized. Okay, laying on this bed, it will remove of your fever. It is our personal experience, because all our community people who purchase this one, and every day we are using 10 to 15 minutes, and we have not faced or come across any hay fever or regular or frequent fevers. So that is the importance of this spike mat. You will get it on online, Amazon or any other one. Now the rates are very reduced. It is 1,000 plus. That's all. Once it is like a doctor. If you purchase this one, it is like a doctor. It will take care of your entire body and it will remove of your toxins which is accumulated even in your body. Okay, so our friend Mr. Somashekar is going to demonstrate how to lie down and how to rest along with pillow. I am going to show that pillow also in later stage. That pillow importance I will tell you. Our neck is here 72,000 plus nerves which will pass through our neck, and once you have given pillow of this spike contact with those nerves through the neck, so it will energize the neck and brain as well as physical body, and it makes the body imbalance and it will keep the temperature always steady. Okay, you will be very hale and healthy. This is our invention, and please do it and be happy and be bold and get rid of this corona. Mr. Somashekar is going to demonstrate how he is going to lie down on this spike mat. Please.
Hello friends.
Mr. Somashekar, now he is going to demonstrate how to use this spike mat by laying on it. Okay. Okay. Slowly is laying on, and he is fixing the pillow. You can see the pillow. It is readily available in Amazon or other online this one, and he is resting his neck on pillow and his back on his spike mat. Okay. Actually, he is wearing a t-shirt. So others, they can remove the t-shirt also, or they have to wear a thin shirt, thin cotton shirt. Why I am telling cotton shirt means cotton is a very good element or material which will take out the heat, helping in take out the heat from the body and make the body healthy. Other materials which will increase heat. So that's why I am telling particularly cotton shirt is very good, or cotton nightie or cotton shirt like that. Okay, now he is resting. He is laying down. Even bare body he can do it, but because of this video, so to maintain the decency, he is wearing the t-shirt, and now he is resting for 15 minutes. And even after vaccine, before vaccine or after vaccine, if the person he is going to do lie down on this one, definitely even after taking the vaccine, they will not get the fever at all, and body pain will get rid of easily. Okay, please do it regularly. So this is like a doctor in the house, and keep your health body healthy, your family healthy, your society healthy by forwarding and sharing to it, educating it, and make our India healthy. Thank you, Somashekar.
Thank you everyone.